Welcome to the train station.
Ooh, I have my ticket.
Perfect, I'll take that.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me punch you in. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks.
Today, we're gonna be learning about trains. Choo choo! We're gonna talk about the different trains there are and their parts. So follow me. Now, conductors like myself handle the daily operations of a train, as well as safety. They punch tickets like I did earlier, and they also help people on and off of trains.
Let's go ahead and play with Thomas on this huge train track and see what he does. Come along, join us. We're gonna start up Thomas, here he goes. Woo! Going around the track.
Woohoo! Wow, look at Thomas going.
Look at him go up. Woohoo!
Now he's turning around.
So much fun. Oh my gosh. And look, oh no, he got stuck. We gotta move the lever around and pull the tab back.
All right, now there are a lot of different trains. What kind of train is Thomas? Thomas is a steam train, which means that his chimney right here, this is the chimney, produces steam. And the steam is created by water trapped inside of the train that's heated up using the coal on the back, creating steam.
Have you ever seen steam that comes out of a kettle? It's kind of like the same thing.
Exactly. And they have these metal rods here called drive rods. These are what help the train move forward, as you can see. Pretty cool. All right, let's play with Thomas now. Oh, wow. And look, there's a helicopter pad. Whoa! Oh, and I have Percy. Let's add Percy here too.
What if we put Percy on the back of Thomas?
Let's do it. Here, you want to connect them?
Yep. Here we go. Click. Oh, but look what I see here. I see a crate. That reminds me of another different type of train, which is a freight train. Yeah, a freight train carries goods and materials from place to place.
Wow, that is so cool. But you know what? I really want to build a train track. Can we do that?
Of course, yeah, let's start. Here are all the parts to build a train station.
Ooh, this looks fun.
Yeah, all right. So first we need our train track, which we're gonna go ahead and connect them just like this. Here's the train station. Lots of fun there. All right, let's get started. Here's our train tower. Here's our clock and our map of where the train is going. Put it right there. And here's our railroad crossing sign. A railroad crossing sign is always near a train track, so that way cars know when a train is coming. You see lights flash on, you even might hear a bell go ding, 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 ding. And then the gates of the railroad crossing come down, cars stop, and wait for a train to pass. Let's go ahead and see how that looks like. Here's my car. Here's the choo-choo train coming in. And look, this car needs to go, but the train needs to cross at the same time. So the gates are gonna close. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And here the car is gonna wait and the train's gonna cross. Choo-choo. And now the car can pass by safely. Whoop, whoop, brrr. train's gonna go over the bridge and back to the train station where he'll pick up, who's that?
Here's our passenger. He belongs in our train.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool.
Ding, 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 ding. But look, there are some rocks that fell from the mountains. And the choo-choo train, chugga, 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 can't go anymore. What should we do?
I know. Well, we have a little construction site right here. And we have our bulldozer and we have our dump truck. Let's see if we can help out.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, first, our bulldozer's gonna grab these rocks and put them into the dump truck one by one. 2 rocks in the dump truck. And now the dump truck can go to the dump site and release the rocks.
Nice, that was so cool. Let's go ahead and put that train track back. Remember how it's done? That's right, it's like a puzzle piece. You gotta plug in the 2 sides together and push down. Perfect. Woo, chugga, chugga, chugga. That was so much fun. But now let's talk a little bit about other trains around the world.
Great idea. Well, one train is an underground train. This is like the subway in New York City. Passengers sit on the train and they go underground. And so because of that, there's no stoplights or intersection lights and no traffic. So they go to place a lot faster.
And the next train is a double-decker.
Ooh.
This one's really cool because it has 2 levels. People can eat on this train, they can sleep on this train, and they can even shower on this train. How cool! I want to ride on that choo-choo train.
Wow. And oh, I remember one, a really cool train that you see at airports are monorails. Monorails take you all over the airport as you go from one terminal to the next.
Next time I bring a ton of luggage, I know I can just take the monorail.
Exactly.
We had so much fun riding around with our choo-choo trains with you today. What did we learn? We learned about different types of trains, the different parts that are on a train, and what a conductor does. If you enjoyed this train episode and want to learn more with us, please follow us below.